Hello everyone, welcome to this video. So this video I'm going to show you how to make some text bold in HTML and CSS. So you see I have this paragraph, and inside of this paragraph I can use the B tag. For example, let's say that I want to bold this where it says bold. So to do that I can use this tag. So it's called the B tag. So you can put that word inside of that tag, and as you notice that text will be bold, and it doesn't matter if you place it here, so the spacing is not a big deal, but technically you'll use the strong tag. So because syntactically is incorrect to use B, I mean you can use it, but I'm not a fan of the B tag. Instead I use the strong tag. So if you use strong, you'll notice that it will do the same thing. Or you can basically add a class name. So this is how you do it with CSS. You can give this paragraph a class name. So I'm gonna call it bold. And inside of the style, so this is where I'm gonna add my CSS. I can say dot bold and then open two curly braces. So I can say font dash weight. You can go something about 600 to see the effect. So if you see 600, you'll notice that it will become bold. But now you see whatever I type here, so whatever I type here will be bold. So whatever I type will be bold. Because you see we are selecting the whole paragraph. We are giving this class name to the whole paragraph. And instead of doing that, if you want to only make this word bold, for example, you can move this class bold. All right, so don't apply it to the paragraph, and instead we can use a span, so span tag, and I'm going to move this word, which is bold, inside of that span tag, and I'm going to apply that class name to the span. So you see, we have only applied the bold to that word. Alright, so I hope this video is helpful. If you have not understood some parts of my video, you can always pause and rewatch. Alright, so I'll see you all in the next videos.